So, thinking about using humic acids in your operation? You know, the black liquid and granules that some growers use? It all started thousands of years ago when our planet was young and populated with rich, lush forests. But this didn't last too long. When a worldwide flood buried everything, including the lush forest, this catastrophic event changed and rearranged everything on our planet. And after everything dried up, and the calendar moved forward 3,400 years, we find that the buried trees, animals, and all once living things had converted to different forms of energy. Some of the buried materials transformed into vast amounts of coal, which moved Western society into the industrial age. Other layers became tar and oil, producing fuels and making some regions in the world extremely wealthy. The abundance of fuel has made the world more and more productive. In certain areas, the organic materials converted into natural gas deposits, able to warm our homes, run factories, and produce affordable electricity. On top of some of these deposits is a layer known as humic ore, or sometimes referred to as soft coal. In the early 1950s, soil scientists discovered the benefits of this humic acid. Maurice Schnitzer, a Canadian scientist at the University of Ottawa, was one of the first scientists to create a method of extracting the humic acid from the ore. It was soon learned that humic acid, HA for short, had benefits for plants, stimulating growth of roots and better nutrient uptake. It was also discovered it could benefit livestock with the digestion of feed. And in the late 1960s, scientists learned the benefits of using humic acid in arable land cropping. Then, in 2001, Alpha Agri changed how humic acid was extracted and produced the first low application rate humic acid. This changed how growers could use humic acid in their operations. No more need for 1, 2, 3, or even 4 gallons of humic acid per acre, but replacing most applications with just a half liter per acre. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Think of humic acid as a bus that moves nutrients from the soil to the roots of plants. Now imagine that the humic ore, the bus, is contaminated with all kinds of impurities: lead, mercury, zinc, copper, nickel, manganese, arsenic, barium, magnesium, aluminum, and so on. The seats on the bus are full, and no ionic exchange can happen. The more seats available on the bus, the fewer buses or gallons of product is needed. Best of all, these products are available to you. More acres covered per day, less freight cost, and greater yields. For the grower who is set up with liquid, we have Humika, available in 10, 200, and 1,000 liter quantities. And for growers with dry fertilizer, the GrowMax is the perfect partner. This is available in 15 kilograms and 1,000 kilograms super sacks.